Hello and welcome to my channel. My son asked me to make him a SpongeBob sweatshirt, so I figured I would make a video so you guys could follow along. Now here I'm going to Google and typing SpongeBob. Next, clicking images. I am now going to scroll down until I find a picture that I would like to use for this sweatshirt. Now pressing and holding, I hit add to photos. Back to the Google drop-down box, I'm typing SpongeBob logo. Here I'm going to find a logo with the transparent background. Now pressing and holding, I will now save this image like the last one. Now closing out Safari and opening up Cricut Design Space, I'm now going to hit New Project and upload my image. I'm going to select Upload, select from Photo Library, and here I will pull in the picture that we saved. Here I'm just selecting Next, and I'm going to select Next until I save this as a print and cut, so I didn't crop or remove anything. So now I will select that image and pull it into Design Space. Now going back to upload, I will now pull in the second image that we saved. So here is our logo. I'm going to hit remove and just select on the background, and that erases the background. Now I will save this as a print and cut as well. And once that is saved, we will just tap it and pull it into Design Space like we did with the last one. Going to Action and Duplicate, now I will have two logos. I'm going to take one of those logos and put over the image with the characters. So I'm going to size that up the way that I want it to look. Now dragging a box over both of my images, I'm going to go to Action and hit Slice. Now I will delete that sliced image that I do not need. Selecting Text and then System, I'm going to type Krabby Patty, which is a font that I found on dafont.com. Here I'm just going to type Prince in all caps. Selecting my character logo, I'm now going to go to Edit and change my width to 9.25. Now I'm going to highlight Prince, and I will hit the unlock button. So now I can drag that out and change my height and width. So I'm going to edit, and in the height I'm going to put 1.5, and in the width I'm going to put 6 inches. Going back to edit, I'm now going to change the height on my SpongeBob logo. Now I'm not going to be unlocking the logo because it would change the shape of my logo. I'm just going to make both of my logos 3 inches in height. And now I'm ready to tap Make It. Here I do not mirror my print then cut images. I come down and select the black mat. I do turn on the mirror for this black mat because I am using iron-on vinyl. I also make sure that my bleed is turned on for my print then cut images. Now I'm ready to hit print. The printable vinyl that I'm using is for dark fabrics. I did pick these up from Hobby Lobby. I think I paid $9.99 for 5 sheets. And this is for an inkjet printer. And my inkjet printer is a Canon TR455. But I wanted to show you that for my printer, the blue lines have to be facing up. I'm selecting the black mat and then hitting cut. Now I am putting my settings on everyday iron-on. If you do have the Air 2, you would just turn the dial to iron-on, and I'm cutting on the default pressure. Since this is everyday iron-on, I will be placing my vinyl shiny side down on the mat. Selecting cut, I'm going to all materials and typing printable iron-on dark. I'm also leaving the pressure set on default. I did buy this sweatshirt from Hobby Lobby. This is a youth large. I'm placing my Cricut Easy Press mat inside of my sweatshirt to get even pressure. I will be preheating my sweatshirt for about 10 seconds on 375. 375 is also the temperature that I will be using to press both the fabric transfer and the everyday iron-on. Now, the everyday iron-on is from Paper Studio. When you can see the fabric coming through on the fabric transfer or even the iron-on vinyl, you know that the fabric transfer and the vinyl is good and adhered to that fabric. Here I'm peeling up the transfer sheet while my vinyl is still warm. Here you can see what I'm talking about with the fabric coming through. You can see the spot that I missed. I also think that the logo would look good on the hood as well, but I'm just going to put it on the sleeve today. I use the seam on the shoulder of the hoodie as a guide to help me center my image. Now removing the wrinkles and moisture, I'm just taking the Easy Press over the sleeve.